The next generation or the young generation now will have to handle or bear or live with the decisions we are taking now.
Young people, they are the future, so we are dealing here with processes that take a lot of time. We're talking about decades or even a century until we have a realization of a disposal project.
In Japan, we are making a lot of effort to involve the young people. We also want to see what other countries are doing.
There are so many fears from people about nuclear waste, so it's important to take them along, and also because the site selection projects take many years, so it's very important that people feel confident in a nuclear waste disposal.
On parle de choses qui vont se perpétuer sur des années, des siècles, des millénaires. On est les porte-paroles, à mon avis, les porte-paroles les plus proches des générations à venir.
Ich erwarte, dass man zuerst mal in Dialog kommt und dann sich Gedanken macht, wie die Beteiligung der Bevölkerung gelingt und jetzt insbesondere der jungen Leute.
The young generation are the ones that have to keep on participating, taking along the project, taking care of the waste, remembering that we have a surface disposal facility. We cannot take all the decisions right now, so the young people, they will have to take the decisions later on, and their children even later on. So it is very important, in order to have the continuation of this process, to involve the young people, to know what their concerns are, what their needs are, how they want to get involved, how they want the project to be adapted, to be changed, so that we really take care about their concerns, because they are the future.
It's like two categories we have to fill up with participation. First of all, the pure information, to get young people to know what is the site selection process, why do we deal with that as participation, and not only from the geological, chemics, physics side. After we have shown this information, we have shown that this is an interdisciplinary project. We need young people to really participate in topics, to bring up their opinions. Why do we need science for the disposal? Some are saying we don't need any science, so leave the disposal alone, nobody will find it.
In Switzerland, we have a similar issue we have in many countries. It's mostly the older generations who are interested in participating in such site selection procedures. But now we have had a procedure in Switzerland with local stakeholders for about 10 years, and many of them were 55 or so, and now they're getting older. So it's very important to take the young generation along, also to transfer the knowledge and to have a variety of people.
We are visiting schools, elementary school, junior high school, and also university. And we give a lecture to the students. We are also working with the school teachers. Some of the teachers want to teach geological disposal as part of the energy issue. And we are working with the teachers and what's the good way to teach geological disposal to the students.
The German site selection process is one of the biggest participation projects in the whole Germany, not even for nuclear waste, like in general. So for me, it was very interesting to see a process like that and to follow up, because I want to see how this participation is running. Is it really eye to eye, not even between younger generations, between all of them? Is everybody possible to engage in that? And it's a long run for participation. If we look in Germany, for example, we have a participation on a project for the next 2 years. We have like citizen participation when a new airport is done. To look at nuclear waste management and see it's like 30, 40 years from now ongoing.
And perhaps that those young people, they can keep in contact and share experiences, and that we of course also get inspired about the way we have to involve the young people.